If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share. 500 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb. Fears of the end of the world with an asteroid collision on a day specified by scientists. A huge explosion in the sky releases hundreds of times more energy than the Hiroshima bomb. It may sound like an apocalyptic story, but a newly discovered asteroid the size of a football field now has a chance of more than 1% of hitting Earth within 8 years, according to Agence France-Presse. Such a collision has the potential to destroy entire cities depending on where it occurs. Scientists are not yet panicking about this danger, but they are monitoring the situation closely. Asteroid 2024 YR4 under NASA's eye. The asteroid, called 2024 YR4, was first spotted on December 27, 2024, by the LSO's observatory in Chile. Based on its brightness, astronomers estimate it to be between 40 and 90 meters, 130 and 300 feet, wide. By New Year's Eve, the asteroid had landed on the desk of Kelly Fast, a researcher in NASA's Planetary Defense Office, as a worrying object. "We usually see them move, then they disappear again," Fast told AFP, but this one seemed to survive. The risk assessment continued to rise, and on January 29, the International Asteroid Warning Network, ION, a global collaboration on planetary defense, issued a note on the subject. Chance of hitting Earth in 2032. According to the latest calculations from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, there is a 1.6% chance that the asteroid will hit Earth on December 22, 2032. If it does happen, potential impact sites include areas over the eastern Pacific Ocean, northern South America, the Atlantic Ocean, Africa, the Arabian Sea, and southern Asia, according to the IAW note. Asteroid 2024 YR4 follows a highly elliptical orbit that takes 4 years to complete, swinging through the inner planets before passing Mars and heading toward Jupiter. It is currently rapidly moving away from Earth and will not pass by our planet again until 2028. A similar scenario occurred in 2004 with Apophis, an asteroid that initially had a 2.7% chance of hitting Earth in 2029, but over time, astronomical observations have gradually reduced the odds of an impact. City killer. The world's most famous asteroid impact occurred 66 million years ago when a space rock about 10 kilometers wide caused a global winter that wiped out the dinosaurs and 75% of all living species. In contrast, asteroid 2024 YR4 falls into a category called a city killer. If you put it over Paris or London or New York, you wipe out the entire city and some of the surrounding areas, Pitts said. The best modern comparison is the Tunguska event in 1908, when an asteroid or comet fragment 30 to 50 meters in diameter exploded over Siberia, destroying 80 million trees over 2,000 square kilometers. Like that impactor, 2024 YR4 is expected to explode in the sky rather than leaving a crater on the ground. More than 500 times the Hiroshima bomb. "We can calculate the energy using the mass and the velocity," said Andrew Rivkin, a planetary astronomer at the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory. For 2024 YR4, the explosion from an object breaking up in the atmosphere would be equivalent to about 8 megatons of TNT, more than 500 times the force of the Hiroshima bomb. If the object exploded over the ocean, the impact would be less worrisome unless it happened near a coastline and caused a tsunami. The good news, experts say, is that we have plenty of time to prepare. Rivkin led the investigation into NASA's 2022 DART mission, which successfully pushed an asteroid off course using a spacecraft, a strategy known as kinetic impact. The target asteroid posed no threat to Earth, making it an ideal test subject. "I don't see why it wouldn't work," Rivkin said again. "The bigger question is whether major nations would fund such a mission if their own territory wasn't threatened." Other ideas that could be tried, among them, a laser could vaporize part of the asteroid to create a thrust effect, pushing it off course. A gravitational tractor theory has also been floated, in which a large spacecraft would slowly pull the asteroid away, using its own gravity,